Hi everyone, welcome to Aeronuts. Today we will see a job notification which is at Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, which is under ISRO. So this is for the selection of apprenticeships, so graduate apprentices. Surprisingly, there are many vacancies for aeronautical and aerospace engineers. So it is around 15 vacancies are there for apprentices, and so the requirement educational qualifications are you should have a BE Tech degree and your marks should be more than 65% or around 6.8 for CGPA. It should be more than that. And next, those who have acquired a degree before 2019 and who are appearing for final exams are not eligible to apply. So means those who have completed engineering and it's almost 3 years for them, they are not eligible to apply for here, and those who are eligible to apply can apply for this. So to apply for this, the candidate should enroll in the NATS portal. So if you are not registered, please register, and you need to have their enrollment ID at the time of joining for registration. So those who don't have this ID will be rejected, they have said. And the stipend for this is around 9,000. It is mentioned here. The duration is for 1 year, and the stipend will be of 9,000 since it is apprentice training. And the last date to apply for this is October 10th. And to apply for this, you have to register. You should have a email ID, and you have to register at the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center website. There you have to upload all the necessary documents, your photo and provincial degree certificate or original degree certificate and many other things. And selection process is based upon the marks scored by the candidate in the educational criteria, that is your BE Tech. So on basis of that, the seats will be allotted, and you will be called for the apprenticeship training. And they should after if got selected, you have to produce your all the documents which are needed for at the time of joining, which have been asked in this portal. And yes, that's it. And for those who have a reservation, they have to produce a certificate in this manner. So please apply for this. This is a very good opportunity. There are many positions for aeronautical and aerospace engineers, that is around 15. Yes, this is a job notification.